Students usually take up simple product design, complex product designs, technically even more challenging ones. Hello, hi, this is Girish Kumar. I'm an architect as well as an industrial designer by profession. I teach product design at the School of Creativity in Rishihood University. So here in our college, students usually take up simple product design, complex product designs, technically even more challenging ones, system design, UI, UX, branding, packaging, all sort of product design domain, medical as well. Like for example, here as we can see one more project over here. This is a product for CVD patients. So starting from the research, going and interviewing the patients, to the concept generation, to visualize it in 3D, also make it in prototypes. Like for example, we do prototyping with thermocol, styrofoam, manufacturing materials as well. We try using 3D printers, advanced techniques such as laser cut, CNCs for specific materials. Also in terms of products. So starting from the research to the concept, to the development, to the prototyping part, this is what we do at Product Design Studio. It's with real materials as well.
I am Mohit from Sonepat, pursuing Bachelor of Design School of Creativity. सोशल डिज़ाइन के लिए मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है। रोलर पार्ट जो है उसमें हमारी जो फैमिली है उसमें चूल्हे का यूज़ करते हैं, और चूल्हे की जो प्रॉब्लम थी स्मोक से और फ्यूल का जो इसका लकड़ी काटते हैं, हम जलाने के लिए चूल्हे में बेसिकली लकड़ी यूज़ करते हैं, कोयला यूज़ करते हैं, पर उससे भी जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी की पॉल्यूशन है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा था। तो जो ये प्रॉब्लम थी, इस चीज़ पे छोटे स्केल के कारण कोई इतना नोटिस नहीं करता है। इस प्रॉब्लम को मैंने अपने फैमिली से और हरियाणा में ओवरऑल इंडिया में जब इस प्रॉब्लम को फेस करते हैं तो बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम होती है, जैसे स्मोक से COPD होती है, और हम लकड़ी काट रहे हैं उससे एनवायरनमेंट में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। तो उस चीज़ के लिए मैंने एर्गोनॉमिक्स के लिए तो चूल्हे का डिज़ाइन किया था। मैंने अलग अलग कंपोजिशन में फ्यूल को ऐड किया और उसको टेस्ट किया।
तो हमारी इसमें मेन इंटेंशन ये थी कि किस तरीके से हम स्मोक फ्री कंपोजिशंस बनाए इन टर्म्स ऑफ काउ डंग पैटीज, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा सस्टेनेबल है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम this project has been displayed in a lot of competitions such as Architectural Biennale undertaken by the Ministry of Culture. And it was highly appreciated because these kind of problems are generally known as wicked problems, which are usually not noticed.
Hello, I am Revati Jaikrishnan and I am a ceramic artist and designer, and I am part of the School of Creativity. I teach courses on the product design course and also for ceramic. I teach courses like form studies and material exploration. As part of form studies, we teach students how to manipulate forms, such as this form here, which is the same thing to create a product which is reversible in a way. So we teach them how to go from a sketch or a 3D model digitally made and then translated into an actual physical product through prototypes, through production processes, and all of that is covered in the product design module.